So now from the equation number 1, the temperature T2, T3 and T4 is converted in terms of T1. So now one by one we go for. So here the process 1 to 2, it is isentropic process. We know that it is a PV power gamma equal to constant. So in that isentropic process, the 3 PVT relations are there: pressure versus volume, pressure versus temperature and temperature versus volume. So we are considering that relation temperature versus volume. T2 by T1 equal to V1 by V2 whole power gamma minus 1. So V1 by V2 is nothing but it is a compression ratio is denoted by letter R. Therefore T2 by T1 equal to R power gamma minus 1. Therefore T2 is equal to T1 into R power gamma minus 1. Let us consider this equation number 2. Now 2 to 3 process. 2 to 3 process is a constant pressure process, P equal to constant or otherwise V by T equal to constant. Therefore during 2 to 3, V2 by T2 equal to V3 by T3. So rearrange that equation, T3 by T2 is equal to V3 by V2. We know that the V3 by V2 is nothing but cutoff ratio is denoted by letter R suffix C. Therefore from that equation we determine T3 value. T3 is equal to T2 into RC. So from the equation number 2 we know the T2 value. Therefore substitute here, finally we get T3 is equal to T1 into R power gamma minus 1 into RC into the equation number 3. So now we already know that we determine T2 value in terms of T1 and T3 value also in terms of T1. Now process 3 to 4, that also in isentropic process, PV power gamma equal to constant. So same temperature versus volume relation we are also again substitute here, but the term states are 3 to 4. Therefore T4 by T3 equal to V3 by V4. So for our convenience, multiply and divided by V2. Finally we get T4 value equal to T1 into R power gamma minus 1 into RC into RC by R whole power gamma minus 1. So that is equation number 4. So now all the 3 temperatures T2, T3 and T4 in terms of T1 we get from the equation number 2, 3 and 4. So now substitute the equations 2, 3, 4 in equation number 1. Finally we get the diesel cycle as standard efficiency eta is equal to 1 minus 1 by R power gamma minus 1 into RC power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma into RC minus 1. It is the equation as standard efficiency of diesel cycle. So here when compared to Otto cycle, the Otto cycle efficiency formula is eta equal to 1 minus 1 by R power gamma minus 1. Here the R only is there, that is compression ratio only is there in Otto cycle. But in diesel cycle the R and RC, that is compression ratio and cutoff ratio. So therefore as standard efficiency of Otto cycle is depends on compression ratio only. But here in diesel cycle not only compression ratio, cutoff ratio also. Thank you students. For any doubts, okay, please contact me or comments me. Thank you.